Welcome to 143 Grand Isle Way, a modern Caribbean-style home located in a beautiful canal front community of Grand Harbour. Let's go check it out. A spacious, fully equipped kitchen that spills into the family and living room. A spacious master ground floor suite with an ensuite bathroom, 2 large walk-in closets, outside a large family swimming pool, a 40-foot boat dock, and just minutes access to the North Sound. For more information on this beautiful waterfront home and to schedule your private viewing, please contact me.